number 5, it says a wooden artifact from an ancient tomb contains 65% of the carbon-14 that is present in living trees. How long ago was the artifact made? And the half-life of carbon-14 is 5,730 years. So this is kind of a carbon dating problem. So if you've ever heard that on TV or you're interested in carbon dating, then this is the math behind it. This is going to be similar to number 3, a little bit differently with how they give us the information though. So on number 3 they said how long does it take for 50 milligrams to decay to 32. Here they're just saying that it contains 65, and then how long ago, or I should say 65%, and how long ago was it made. So I'm still using the same formula, but I'm going to put 65 is equal to 100 e to the, this will be negative ln of 2 over, and then the half-life is 5,730 t. So I'm just automatically putting that into the exponent right away. So let's talk about where I get the 65 and the 100. The 100, this goes where the initial amount is present. So I'm putting the 100 because we're going to start this off where it's 100% of the initial mass. I'm starting to write off the board here. And then the 65, this comes from the fact that it's 65% that's left. So it's really coming from the percents. Next I want to divide both sides by 100. So I get 0.65 is equal to e to the negative ln of 2 over 5,730 t. Then I want to take the, well, before I do that though, you could start out with this if you wanted to. So if you think about percents as decimals, the 0.65, I mean, we kind of know that that's 65%. And then there's an implied 1 here in front of the e, and that's an implied 100%. So 1 as a decimal, but as a percent it would be 100%. So if you wanted to start out here, you could. I like to usually show the 65 and the 100 though, just because I think it's a little bit clearer. So I do want to take the ln now of both sides. And again, this is going to be very advantageous because the ln of e is going to cross out. So that's going to leave us with ln of 0.65 is equal to just the exponent there. And then I want to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to times by negative 5,730 by divided by ln of 2. And that means that t is going to be equal to negative 5,730 times ln of 0.65 all over ln of 2. And if you type that into your calculator, then you should get 3,561, and that'll be years. So this is years ago. And that'll be our answer. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.